Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. I wanted to do a quick tip on credit. So, a lot of people don't understand credit. It's not really taught in households, it's not taught in school. So, I do a lot of education on credit. So, there's a couple things that you need to understand about your credit. You obviously want a good credit score so that if you ever need to borrow money, you can borrow money at a good interest rate. I'm not a big fan of borrowing money, but there are circumstances where you do need to borrow money. So, a couple things you need to understand about your credit. First of all, your credit score is created by FICO, which is owned by Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Those are the three credit bureaus that kind of manage all the credit, and they are for-profit entities. Okay, these are not nonprofits. These are not government-sponsored entities. They are there to make money, and they are there to make money by providing you with your information on your credit. So, a couple things I wanted to show you real quick. So, check this out. Credit score, this is how your credit score is calculated, okay? 35% of your credit score is calculated based on your payment history. Got to make your payments on time. If you have a negative payment history, boom, you're going to lose 35% of your credit score if you start popping late payments. Now check this out. Most people don't realize this. Almost equally as important as making your payments on time is 30% of your credit score is the amounts owed on your credit. So if you have a bunch of maxed out credit cards, you're going to have a lower credit score. So the optimal number is you want to keep your credit balance at least 25% of your credit limit. So you have to use your credit cards, but make sure you keep those balances low. That's very important. That's only on credit cards. That does not account for student loans or car payments and stuff like that. So credit cards, make sure you keep your balance below 25%. Now, if you don't have credit cards, a lot of people ask me, well, how do I get a credit card? So the easiest way to do it is have your parents add you as an authorized user on their credit card. Boom, that automatically pops you with a credit score. So that's cool. So now that you have a credit score, it's going to be easy for you to go out there and get another credit card on your own. If you would like your own credit card and you don't want to get your parents to add you as an authorized user, go to Capital One and apply for a secured credit card. So you open a bank account with, I think it's $300. Then they give you a credit card that's secured against the $300 that you put in the bank account, so you could never go over the $300. Guess what, though? You still have to make sure you keep that credit limit or your balance is low. Do not ever spend more than $75. So I always recommend people go buy gas and then pay it down every month, but don't pay it all the way off because you have to keep an open balance because your credit score is based on how do you utilize your credit, okay? So I hope that helps you guys. Have a good weekend.